Okay, HPL-PRO Cargo Crate installation video. So this is going to be a pretty long one. There's a few things to go through. I guess the core concept is there's these hooks on the edge of the crate. You want to tilt, push forward into your tie-down slots, and then let the crate drop into place. That's how you install into a large barrier. Obviously, once it's in, you can push it back and forwards. It will not dismount from that barrier unless you tilt it and, I guess, repeat those same steps. So you want to tilt and pull away from you to get it out. Obviously, this is a next-gen Ranger divider. The large crate can go in the center or can go left and right. So unlike the plywood versions, there's no predetermined spaces. It can go anywhere along that main barrier. The other difference from the plywood version is you can place crates adjacently, so they can share a tie-down slot. So basically, if you want, you can have 2 large crates along your full barrier, or up to 4 small ones, or 1 and 2. Any combination, they can all fit together. Obviously, there's going to be less crate slots available on our 4 slot wide dividers, such as BYD Shark and Silverado, but we'll go through that. So yeah, you can place them anywhere along that main divider. And again, you just want to lift up and pull away to remove them. They can be placed on the back side of the divider, so there's no real difference. Same steps: tilt, push forward, and let it drop into place. This is actually a good way to see how it works. So there's those hooks on the back, as we discussed, that hold it in. Can only move unless you pull up or tilt up. Sorry. And again, you can have them adjacent even if they're the other way. There's no problem doing that. Again, lift up and pull away. The other development, the change from the plywood, is we've notched out some slots on the top of the half divider, so the crates are compatible with that half divider. So basically, it can't go left to right, and then once you close your tailgate, it can't move forwards or backs either. So yeah, fully compatible with the half divider as well. Same situation, you got sort of 4 points where you can mount a small crate, or 3 with a large one in the Ranger divider series. So yeah, it just adds flexibility to your setup. You can sort of place them anywhere with the HPL-PRO version. Again, yeah, you can place them adjacently as well with the half divider. No issues whatsoever. Yeah, again, you can place that wherever. You can also, say you don't want to move your half divider, you can place your smaller crate sideways or rotated 90 degrees into that position and sort of use it as a divider within that divider. The other thing we've done with this series is the spacing is a little bit different. So if you want to stow your half divider, you can place it right up against your main divider on top of those side pieces, and the large crate will fit sideways perfectly between, I guess, that stowed barrier and your tailgate. And this is only on the Ranger HPL-PRO. Some of the other models will have different measurements, but yeah, just something we've developed. Obviously, the crates in the plywood were a bit of an afterthought, whereas this one we've made it all in one go, so it works seamlessly together. Again, just installing it. So yeah, if you do want to place in the main barrier, between the main barrier and the half barrier, you will have to install the crate first and then place in your half divider. There it goes. So yeah, this is actually a good way to separating. So I probably wouldn't recommend going the 2 larger ones in this scenario. Yep, so you cannot place a crate in front of another crate in this situation. Those hooks will not allow you to close the tailgate. But you can place it adjacently. There's no problem with that. And it closes fine. There is a solid bottom piece in all these crates, so it's not just 4 walls. There's actually a full thickness bottom on these. Handles on every side. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So this is our 4 slot wide dividers. So these are on BYD Sharks, Chevy Silverados, Rams, Kia Tasmans. Basically, same exact concept. The only difference is you can only fit 3 smaller crates, or 1 smaller crate and 1 larger crate. You can't fit 2 large crates. Yeah, just something to consider when you're working out what setup works for you. But yeah, they work in the exact same way. Bit harder when it's not installed. As you can see, the barrier was tilting. But yeah, tilt, push forward, and let it drop into place. And that's pretty much it.